Basically, what ChatGPT had us do was make launchers and trebuchets, but those are kind of ordinary and common in the world of 3D printing. So what we decided to come up with was one food launcher and a crossbow that works on school supplies, so like pencils and pens. Later in the video, Michael and I will compete to see who came up with the better product, and we'll also test how far they can shoot and how accurate they are.
I decided to make a food launcher. This is the food launcher in real life. Basically, you attach rubber bands to these little slits, and then you can pull back the launcher and clip it on to this little tiny clip in the very back of the launcher. And then when you want to launch it, you simply just press down, and anything that's here gets launched. To show you how it works, I'm going to launch this Hershey Kiss.
So this is the design I came up with. This crossbow actually has a few parts. So first is the part I'm holding on to right now, which you could actually remove, and you could see there's some storage there. But when you put it back in place, it still works pretty well. And then you have the actual mechanism to load the pieces, or in this case it would be pens and pencils. You just put them into these holes right here. And once they're in, you could just pull back this rubber band and you would just let it go and it would fire and the pens go actually really far. Now it's time to compete and see who wins.
The first part of our competition was the distance test. I averaged 21 feet 6 inches, and Pablo averaged 10 feet on the multi-shot and 30 feet on the single shot.
The other test we did was an accuracy test. Michael shot his launcher over a distance of about 8 feet, and I shot my crossbow over a distance of about 10 feet.
Now it's time for you guys to decide who won this challenge. Comment down below and let us know. Also, remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next week.